Good morning student, I am Dishma. I am your science class teacher. This is first science online classes for 3rd standard. I hope you all are safe. Stay home and be safe. Okay. Our first chapter is living and non-living. Living and non-living things. Clear? We know that our planet is very beautiful. It is filled with wonderful things like flowers and birds, aeroplanes, buildings, rivers and seas, hills and valleys, and air and water, all these things. So from that we are going to study what are human made things. What are human made things? Things like building, bridges and buses are made by human. They are called human made things. What are human made things? Things like building, buses and bridges are made by human. They are called human made things. I am going to give you one work. You have to write 5 different things made by humans. So in your workbook you have to write that. Okay. Next one we are going to study is natural things. Do you know what are natural things? Natural things are given by nature. It's not human made thing. Things like cloud, rocks, the sun, the moon, the stars, animal and plants. These have not been given by humans. These are given by nature. So they are called natural things. Clear? So we studied human made things and natural things. What are human made things? Human made things are buildings, buses and bridges are made by human. They are called human made things. What are natural things? Things like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, the sun, the moon, the stars have not been made by human. They are given by nature. That are called natural things. So you have to write 5 things given by nature or natural things. Clear? So we are going to study about living and non-living things. Do you know what are living things? What are non-living things? How can we find out this one is living, this one is non-living? So we are going to study about that. So all human made things are non-living. That we know. That this fan, this chair, this bench and us, these all are human made buildings. We know that they are non-living things. Human cannot give life to any particles, clear, any substance. So they are non-living things. All human made things including non-living things. And in natural things, so many things like rocks, clouds, the sun, the moon, the stars, these all things are non-living things. So in non-living things, all human made things and natural things such as rocks, clouds are non-living things. Clear? Next we are going to study about what are living things. We know that we humans are living. We are growing now and breathing. So we are living things. So living things include human, animals and plants. So what are non-living things? Non-living things include all human made things and natural things such as rocks, clouds are non-living things. And in living things, human, animals and plants. So you have to write 5 things in non-living things and 5 living things. Okay, clear? So next we are going to study about the features or characteristic of living thing. So we know that living things show some different characters from other than non-living things. What are they? So I can move my hand. What about this bench and desk? This chair? These cannot move. So living things move. So living things can move. So this chair, bench, desk, fan, they cannot move. They are non-living thing. We can find out living thing because of these features. Clear? Next one, living things need food. They need food. So living things need food. So we know that in your home there are so many chairs, bench and us. At morning they don't ask for food. But what about us? At morning we need breakfast, noon lunch, snacks, these all things. We have so many foods. So living things need food. Next one, living thing grow. We know that non-living thing like dust and benches cannot grow, but living thing like us are growing. Day by day we are growing. So this is the another characteristic of living thing. Next one, living thing feel. They can feel everything, feel the cold, the pain, the emotions, all emotions we have, and non-living things cannot have that. If I beat one bench and dust, they cannot cry, they don't have any feelings. What about us? If someone beat us, we will cry definitely. If someone scold us, even though we cry. So these, from this we can find out this one is living and this one is not living. So living things breathe. Next one is living thing breathe. They can breathe. That is the specific character of living thing. They can breathe. Non-living thing like fan, bench and dust, they cannot breathe. Clear? So next one is living thing reproduce. That is the another characteristic of living thing. They reproduce. So what are the characteristics of living thing? Living thing can move, living thing need food, living thing grow, living things breathe, and living thing reproduce. So in next class we are going to study more details about this. Okay, thank you.